Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. And to all our subscribers, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, this is FemMNY. We're glad to see you guys here. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. So for today's video, I'll be setting up a balloon decoration. It's for a birthday party for this boy right here. He's turning 7. So all the balloons is already set up, and I'm gonna show you how I made this clusters of balloon and right there. So to inflate your balloon is different sizes. It's an organic clusters of balloon, so no particular sizes on how you inflate your latex balloon. Grab any two, then doesn't have to be the same size. And if you want it more rounded, just like that. And then you pair this up. So this one right here and this. Just like that. And then just twist them together. Have some more. One. Then another one. There's your cluster of balloons, so you can add more if you want. I'll add one more. There you go, we got our clusters of balloon right here. So now you can always move it around and shape it just the way you want it. So now this time I will add our filler. I have 260 balloon. You tie it on your quad, and then there you go, and you can add it now. Just put it right here. Always arrange it in which direction, like that. And I'll add another one. This will be the front side of your cluster. So we'll bring this to the side, and now once we're there, we'll just have to connect them all together with all the clusters of balloon we have. So we'll set up the balloons here using our balloon stand. So this is 5 feet tall, and it's a little bit over 5 feet, maybe 5, almost 6. Okay, so we'll set this up here. So all you need to do is put this on here. So just like that. You put the post in between your balloon. Just like that. So right here I put the post in between your balloon, like that. As you noticed, on the bottom, it shows the white part. So we'll cover that up before we continue on the top. All right, so just right there. So now we'll cover the white part right there. So I have another one here, smaller. So I'll put this here, and then I'll be using 260 balloon. I will actually put it on the base right here. Tie it to the base, so it's nice and secure. So now once it's tied up, you'll attach it here. Just like that. I'll add another one. This one already have a balloon 260 attached. So you do the same thing. Just to cover that up, wrap it to your existing balloon. And then on this side, again, I already attached it here. There, so now that's done. We're gonna move on to the second layer. So now this is the second layer, so the same thing you will be putting in right here. So you wanna put your post in between. And then another layer, so I'll make sure that the little filler right here is always in front. Let's move this. By the way guys, this is the number 7 that I made from the previous blog that you see right there. If you want to check this out, how I made this. I just added some lights here and you just stick it there, you can take it off. Alright, so let's continue. We'll put this on top. Alright, so on the top one, I'm gonna add this one. It's a 260 balloon. Just attach it here. Just tie your 260Q right there. Here. And you need this. So this one, attach it here. To cover the gaps, we have some fillers here, so the same thing, I have the 260Q attached. So just put it right here. Alright, so now we'll add this one. Actually, after this, we have a block for this. We will put it up there soon. So we'll put this here. Then we'll put the other balloon on this side. Just like that, and then you turn it on. Then we'll add this here. Alright, just like that, you can put this in front or on the side, whichever side you like it, and then we add this one. So again, we have a different video tutorial on how I made this one. If you want to check it out, please check it out right there. There you go, this is our birthday setup. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Once again, this is FemMNY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you, bye.